guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your friend Flora Diana. First, let me tell you a funny story about cassava. One day, my neighbor saw my mother peeling cassava. She was scared and surprised. When my mother was done cooking cassava, she wanted to share it to my neighbor, but my neighbor didn't want. She comes from Binga, and people from Binga don't grow cassava near their village or area. They believe that cassava is very acidic and it can kill. She must have thought that we were crazy, and she was trying to prevent us from eating cassava. She said that she will check on us tomorrow morning to see if we are still alive. Then she will eat it. You know the ending. Today we are cooking cassava, and first let me tell you the ingredients. We have cassava here, nuts, salt, and cooking oil. But first let me put the pan on the fire. And also put your peanut in the pot. By the way, you can use any kind of stove, a stand-by, gas stove, and so on. Wait for 5 to 8 minutes before putting our cassava. When the oil is ready, go ahead and add few more pieces. Use a slotted spoon to fry the cassava, and be careful, hot oil is dangerous. For those of you who don't know, cassava contains plenty of carbohydrate, vitamin C, and it's rich in calories. Fry them until the edges turn slightly golden yellow. I forgot about the peanuts. No, I'm just kidding. I put it aside because peanuts don't need a lot of fire, otherwise it will burn. Now I'm going to remove it using a slotted spoon. Wow, you can see that our edges are golden yellow. Wow. Don't forget to shake it a little bit. You don't want to end up with too much oil in your food. sure that you lower your fire. As I said earlier, you can use any other kind of stove. It depends on the one which suits you. Make sure that you always mix your peanut. If you leave it in one place, it might burn. By the amount of peanuts that I have, I can estimate the amount of salt that I have to put in my peanuts. If you can't estimate and you think that you have the same amount of peanuts as I do, try out this technique. You need to put 1 spoon of salt and 3 spoons of water and pour it into the pan. And now our final stage is serving. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share it to your friends and relatives, and leave a comment below. I really enjoyed your comment. Thank you so much for the support. Your subject. Love you. See you next time. Bon appetit. Mwah.